laughing so much I lay down on the ground. And all of a sudden he got the funny side as well. Funny side to it. Next minute he's laughing. Funniest thing I ever seen.
Yeah, one more time. From the time he was born was different. From the time that he was actually conceived, he was different. Most babies come down head first or feet first. This boy came down bum first.
What's that smell? Pooh! Who did that?
And I am awesome one day.
So what do you want to know?
Okay, you just got smashed in the tackle, right? We're pretending you're playing rugby.
It never happens.
He best to have a new wetsuit, but this is the last time he's going to go in the dive. So out we go, walking across to where we go for a dive. And just as he gets part way across, it decides to rip. And it just rips, rips right around here and right through here. Now he's got two halves.
This one's dedicated to Koro Rangi Nui Walker. This is the E2 whānau Factor team. Remixing this one out for 2016. Straight out of the tari of Te Korowai Aroha o Aotearoa ki whakatāne. This is the remix. I'm a person who doesn't know about anything to do with tuatoas on tōna roa tohe. I'm actually Japanese.
Okay.
Which
Oh, you come to steal my puppies then?
I'll start again.
Only about a foot apart, and they were like looking. No, like now.
You know that it's all about pumping iron and.
Worst feed you've ever had?
I think because Mum fights more.
Why aren't we okay to look at people in town and not eat them?
Whereas I thought before they started kind of into the old schools.
Hit the opposition so hard that they forget their name and remember yours for the rest of their life.
It's in quite a gentle way. It's up to you. That's the thing I like about it's up to you.
Okay, this is our rendition of How Great Thou Art.
Anyway, we're going on to the marae, and what occurred was that the karanga came out to us. We were all rather serious, and we were walking onto the marae, and then all we hear is bring, 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 bring.
You use your own body resistance.
Te Korowai says, well, you go this way and I'll go out over this way. So away I went. And I happened to look back to where my mate was, and I happened to see that there was this big rock that he was swimming around. But what he didn't see, that on the other side, was a seal. And somehow they were swimming around and just missing one another. Go around, and they just go around this rock and just kept missing one another. And they'd, for some reason, turn back and swim the other way around this rock. And the seal would do the same. Go. Then all of a sudden, there came a time where they both stopped on either side of the rock and decided to come round together. But they're under the water. And all of a sudden, they come up out of the water. I'm trying to yell out to my mate that there's a seal there. And all of a sudden, he come up out of the water, and they were like this, about this close together, only about a foot apart. And they were like looking at one another. Next minute, they both got a real fright, and they both sort of dived backwards. Next minute, Tikida, he jumped up on this rock, and he's telling the seal off. And he put all in te reo. He's just going for it, just telling the seal off. Was the funniest thing I ever seen.
I thought there was beef mince in it, but it was human meat.
Dispelled the illusion that losing weight, it's not about that, it's about getting strong and agile. And then this occurs. And she goes, "Hello? Hello? I'm sorry, I'm in a porphyry at the moment. Yes, ring back." Now you'd think most people would just switch it off. Not her, not old Fire Metal. And I've never ever forgotten that memory, Fire Metal. And I hope that she gets to hear this story rekindled again one day. But she's still alive and kicking and still in Taumarenui.